Okay, so marami pa ring nagtatanong sa akin dito on how to start freelancing as a funnel designer. So I'm gonna break down 3 simple steps on how you can start freelancing as a funnel designer. So make sure to implement those steps kasi useless naman ko, i-share ko siya sa inyo tapos hindi nyo naman gagawin. So wala rin kayo makukuha ang result, di ba? So first is learn the basics. So alamin mo kung ano ba yung funnels, paano siya nag-work. So hindi mo kailangan maging tech expert or graphic designer para mag-start ng funnel design journey, para maging funnel designer. Ang kailangan mo lang is alamin mo kung paano mo matutulungan yung mga business owners sa pagiging funnel designer mo. And then, meron din kasi tayong mga specific platform, like for example, System.io, ClickFunnels, GHL, yung mga platforms na yan, they are just drag and drop. So, literally, super easy lang silang i-navigate at saka madali lang makapag-create ng mga professional looking funnels kahit hindi ka nagko-code or hindi mo kailangan ng Photoshop. Kahit nga Canva lang pwede na. Next is build your portfolio. Okay, sasabihin nyo sa akin, Coach Bebs, wala pa naman akong client, paano ako mag-build ng portfolio ko, di ba? So, paano nga ba? Ang very first dyan is mag-create ka ng mock-up. Since na nag-explore ka na rin sa platforms like yung mga sinabi ko kanina, for example, nag-sign up pa kay System.io, tapos nag-explore ka doon, syempre meron ka doon mga magagawang mock-up designs. So that's already good enough to become your portfolio and to showcase your skills in funnel design. And then number 3 is find your first client. So actually maraming beginners na nai-stuck dito sa step na to. But here's the tip. Start offering value first. Join communities dun sa Blue Up and then makipag-connect kayo sa mga business owners doon, sa mga small business owners or even doon sa mga friends, relatives or sa network mo that have businesses. Mag-offer kayo ng free audit sa kanilang websites or landing page audit and then mag-suggest kayo kung paano pa may improve yung kanilang existing designs or yung existing funnels nila. And then, once na makita na nila yung value mo, for sure, i-hire ka nila. So, ito lang yung tatandaan nyo guys. Freelancing is a journey. You don't need to figure out everything in just one day. So, hindi naman kasi isang iglap is magagawa nyo na siya lahat. So, it really takes time pa. So, start with these 3 steps and then stay consistent. And makikita nyo yung progress nyo. Yung mga sinabi ko sa inyo is really the exact steps na tinuturo ko inside the academy. So, if you want more or if you want to be mentored, meron akong mentorship. So, just go to the link on my bio and then look for Elite Funnel Designers Academy. Nandun yung details of my mentorship. So, yun lang. I hope na nakatulong itong video na to.